In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to Mailchimp. If you use Mailchimp for your email marketing campaigns and Canva for your design needs, integrating these two powerful platforms can streamline your workflow. This integration allows you to create stunning designs in Canva and use them directly in your Mailchimp emails, making the entire process more seamless and efficient. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to get onto your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the home page. This is where you manage all your campaigns, subscriber lists, and reports, but today we're focusing on integrations. So take a look at the options on the left side of your screen and find the Integrations tab. This is your gateway to connecting various apps with Mailchimp. Once you're in the Integrations section, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is a handy tool for pinpointing the exact application you want to connect with. In our case, we're looking to connect Canva. You can type Canva into this search bar to find it quickly. But if you're more of a visual person or you're just not sure what you're looking for, feel free to scroll through the list to see all available integrations until you find Canva. When you've located Canva, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a new window or a pop-up that provides more details about the Canva integration. You'll learn a bit about what this integration can do, like how it allows you to create and personalize email templates in Canva to be used directly in your Mailchimp campaigns. It's always reassuring to know exactly how this tool is enhancing your workflow. Once you understand what you're about to connect, it's time to make it official. You'll see a Connect button right there. Clicking this button is the last step in this process. It's really that easy. After clicking Connect, follow any prompts that appear just to make sure everything links up properly. Congratulations, your Canva account is now connected to Mailchimp. This integration allows you to create visually striking content in Canva and then effortlessly pull those creations into Mailchimp for your email campaigns. It saves you the time you'd otherwise spend downloading and re-uploading images between platforms. I hope this guide has made the integration process smooth and straightforward for you. By linking Canva and Mailchimp, you can now enjoy a more efficient workflow and focus on other important aspects of your marketing efforts. Keep exploring all that these platforms have to offer and maximize your marketing potential. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.